Hi and Assalamualaikum. So our project name is A Better World Toward 2030. My name is Aiman Iqbal bin Badr Zaman and I am the leader of this project. The people who has been working with me are Anis Sofia, Arni Farhan and Rahman Sayuti. We are an engineering student from UiTM Shah Alam. So our group name is CGN3s. C for civil, Gene for engineer, and tricks because we are full of tricks. So, I think many students are sick and tired of same routine, same thing. Just look at the computer, learning online, even though they can understand the whole thing, so they will try to search the question in the internet. But it is so hard to find, and sometimes it doesn't even have the answer. That's why we built the Build the Tricks for Students, the best quiz app game with a puzzle for engineering students. With Build the Tricks is all simple. It doesn't matter if you want to go out anywhere because we got you covered. The Build the Tricks have a lot of questions involved about civil engineering. The students just have to type or pick what subject of civil engineering that they want. The best thing is, this app already have provide the answer, so the student doesn't have to worry about it. With this app, it will solve the SDG, which is quality education.
The first problem statement regarding our group project is student having difficulty to understand the subject. According to the current situation that we face, which is global pandemic that lead us to use online distance learning as our new teaching method. Through online distance learning, students face many difficulties to understand certain topic. So, with our Build the Tricks apps, it can help students to get better understanding throughout online distance learning. The second problem statement is students are not interested in the subject. Students nowadays easily get distracted by their surrounding. Moreover, we are using online distance learning as our new teaching method. Therefore, teachers and lecturers cannot control and force their students to focus in their class. So, teachers and lecturers can use our Build the Tricks apps as exercise for their students to gain their interest. The last problem statement is theoretical learning is not challenging. I know and I understand sometimes theoretical learning is a bit boring, but it is a must. So, to make the theoretical learning become more challenging, we made a perfect quiz app to challenge the student, which is Build the Tricks apps.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Hi guys, my name is Aini and I'll explain to you the objective of creating this game. So, the objective of creating this game is because this game can act as game-based learning for engineering. Games can be used for learning as they involve mental and physical stimulation and develop practical skills. They force the player to decide, to choose, to define priorities, to solve problems, and so on. For today's generation of young adults and their children, computer and video games are second nature to most. They identify with and embrace this medium. Through games, learning is not confined to the acquisition of a specific tools, but becomes rather a construction of a mental competency that might be useful in another context. The important thing is not what we think but how we think. Games require decision taking and force the player to decide, to choose, to set priorities. Games encourage people to gain important skills such as negotiation, planning, and strategic thinking. So, This game-based learning not just useful for engineering students, but for all generations. The skills that being developed in this game, the information that gained from this game can be used as a long-lasting learning. The second objective of this game is to achieve one of the goals in SDG, which is quality education. The money that gained from the ads that being put inside this game can be used to increase the quality education in all countries. For example, the money donated can be used to improve the facilities in a school so that the quality of the learning and teaching process in the school increase and at the same time maximize the quality of education in the school.
Benefit of our program, which is game-based learning, is our game can help learning because pupil is more interested and motivated when they are play gaming. Students are often motivated by hand-on and active learning opportunity. The students are able to work in accomplish a goal by choosing specific action. Benefit game of learning is game is feel more in the form of entertainment than a method of learning. Game-based learning is archived more in game than in the real world, and the game is designed to deliver an optimized experience to the user than the real face. From that, game can raise the level of user engagement with the library resources and can be used to help user to solve problem more effectively and quickly. Most games require problem solving, strategy and planning. By applying a range of strategy in a game, students are able to use their work memory to solve problem. Stimulation the brain with strategy in a game can be great workout.